In this video, we want to talk about the future of Digital Coworker, what next after we are able to resolve with AI-native network management system, VLAN, MRP problems. So what comes next? And the next is definitely scaling the Digital Coworker to cooperate at the department level, because our customers has much more than 3 devices. They have complex OT networks that are interconnected and has much more complexity across the shop floor factories. And digital coworkers working together, they're able to find patterns, they're able to find better solutions, better features, and showcase how the network can support development of the customers' businesses. And it's the main idea to offload tedious and unpleasant work from the human to the machine in order to open more time for creativity and more advanced solutions for the human. So stay in touch with Belden and let's build this future together.